You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, this name, correctly. Yes, because there are too many videos out there, including the top ranking ones, that are wrong. This is a name, the name of a dish from Cornwall in the UK. It's Cornish traditional dish, and it's called a pasty. But yes, pasty actually exists, but it's the word. From paste, something that is a bit like a paste, is going to be pasty. But the dish itself is called a pasty. The recipe, the dish, the traditional dish from Britain, pasty. How to pronounce pasty, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.